Hi guys, welcome back. I hope your January went pretty well, but for me, it did not really go as planned or as productive as I really wanted it to be. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through my reset routine. I feel like reset routines before, at the start of any month is so essential because that just grounds you and puts you in a state of knowing what you actually want your month to look like. So I'm just going to start with the basics, which is to clean up my space, take care of my laundry. My bathroom looks so pretty, you guys. I'm so happy I got this done. It's also gym time, so I'm planning to oil my hair before I actually, head to the gym. Honestly, I haven't been regular with my gym sessions, so I really want to start this month strong, and that's one of the reasons I did not want to skip it today. I just dried my hair and I'm going in with this hair serum from Tresemme. Somehow I feel like this pump does not really work, so it literally does not pump out, properly. So I have to pump it like so many times, which I really, really do not like. But I absolutely love this product, you guys. Like, it just leaves my hair so shiny, so smooth and frizz-free. I'm going to put on a face mask, and I have been really enjoying this one from Innisfree. It's their volcanic clay mousse mask. And you guys, I absolutely love this packaging. Like, I really wish they get this packaging back, you guys, because I have been enjoying this so much and I'm so sad that this is almost about to get over. If you have clogged pores or you simply want to just detoxify your skin, I feel like nothing literally beats this because this literally does it all, you guys. I like to leave this on for around 5 to 8 minutes. Basically, just wait for it till it dries. I'm not going to wait for 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 15 minutes because this face mask is actually meant for oily and combination skin types. So I feel like since I have dry skin, this could, irritate my skin if I keep it for longer than 10 minutes or longer than 8 minutes max. So if you have dry skin, I would highly suggest to just keep it on for 8 minutes because if kept longer, it could irritate your skin or it might even make you feel, make your skin feel a lot more drier once you take it off. So it's literally been 5 minutes and this face mask is completely dry. I'm just going to wait for around 2 minutes more so that, the nose gets a little bit more dry because it's a little bit soft. So I really want this face mask to actually pull out all the gunk and all of that. I'm going to script my toner, and I'm going in with the Cosrx nail. Skincare is done and I'm loving the glow on my skin, you guys. I'm just going to finish off with a hair and body mist. This one is from Victoria's Secret in vanilla, and I love this scent, you guys. So I have been really enjoying Hyphen's toner lately, like their ceramide toner. You guys, I was not expecting, their skincare line to be that great, but honestly, I have been loving that toner. So I did pick up two more stuff, and the first one I picked up is the ceramide rich pillow cream. I'm super excited to try this out. I just hope, it delivers like the toner did. The thing that I picked up is their rice water brightening daily cleanser, and I'm really super excited to try this one out because this one has rice. So super excited. I will let you know like in a month's time or maybe 2 months time how it's working for me. The other thing that I could not resist is the Lush blush from Fay Beauty, and this shade, you guys, is literally everything. I do have their other shade which is in red, but this shade literally nailed it. Like, I love this shade so much. The formulation is so much like Peri Pera, and that's one of the main reasons why I picked up the pink version as well. Next thing that I did pick up was this very cute pink candle, like the heart shaped and everything literally drew my entire attention, you guys. But the only problem was that when it arrived, it literally, you can see. I did contact the brand. They did send me this trinket kind of thing, and they told me to remove the candle from the previous one and just insert it in this. So I think I'm gonna do that and basically just light up this candle. I'm super excited, so I will do that when we are setting up my planner. The one thing that I have been wanting to change since last year is my reading habit, you guys, and I have literally failed at this like multiple times. This year I really want to focus on my reading habit and basically just make it happen. Let it be like 10 minutes a day or 20 minutes a day or even like just 5 minutes a day. I just want to get that done. And I did pick up this book from Dr. Joe Dispenza. It's Becoming Supernatural, and I feel like I am so into reading all of these kind of things, so I think I will probably hit off my goal of reading this month. I also did pick up Buy Yourself the Damn Flowers from Tamcor, and you guys, this book literally is so extremely pretty. This book is about self-love, so I feel like it will be a great read. Time to sit down with my planner and basically just see how the month of January went like for me, and how I want my February to look like, my goals, and what are my priorities. So I think let's get done with that. So this is my planner, you guys, and I'm so obsessed with how cute it is. So this page is a monthly review. This is where I would reflect on the previous month. It's such a great way to check in with myself and evaluate how things went. Like I mentioned before, my January did not go productive, so I'm hoping for a better February. So I'm just like jotting down my top priorities for this new month. Then we have the Mind Unload page. This is a page where I would, brainstorm my ideas. I'm going to take my time and do that. In here, I simply fill out the important dates like birthdays, appointments. Next we have the Habits page and monthly positivity. In here, I would write down my monthly intentions, top priorities, and my self-care checklist, everything that I have to get done in this month. And lastly, plan my to-do list for tomorrow. We are back home, you guys, but I feel like so sleepy right now. But I have to get my skincare done, so I read like 2 pages of this book and I absolutely love it. I do want to read more, but I feel like I need to wake up on time tomorrow, and for that, I need to sleep right now. So I'm going to call it a night, and I hope this video was helpful and fun to you guys. Also, the giveaway will be up on my community tab, so stay tuned for that, and I'll basically post it when I upload this video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you next week. Bye. Love you.